In this video tutorial, decision making in C++ will be explained. This will be done by using the if-else statement. To demonstrate this, we will write a program that will calculate the total resistance of two resistors connected either in series or in parallel. The program will ask the user to input the resistor values. Then the connection type is required, S for series and P for parallel, and then the total resistance is computed and displayed at the output. The first thing we need to do in the main function is to declare the variables to be used in the program. In this case, we need 3 floating point variables for the resistors and 1 character variable to store the connection type. An input statement is now written which will ask the user to input the two resistor values. Then another input statement is written which will ask the user to select a connection type, S for series, P for parallel. Now the variable connection has a character constant, either S or P, and in this case we can use an if-else statement that will calculate the total resistance either for series or for parallel, and the structure of the if-else statement is as such. The if-else statement is actually made of two statements, the if statement and the else statement. The if statement, as you can see here, has between parentheses a relational expression which will compute either true or false. So if the relational expression is true, the body of the if statement is executed. If it is false, then the if statement is ignored and the else statement is executed. Notice that the else statement has no relational expression here. It does not have a condition. So if it is executed, then the body of the else is executed. Now for our program, the relational expression of the if statement will be comparing the variable connection with the constant value S, with the constant character value S, via the relational operator here, which is the equal to operator. So if this comparison is true, then the body of the if statement is executed, and the first thing we need to do is to calculate R of t for series connection, and then we will output an appropriate message saying that the connection is series. If the if statement is false, then the else is executed, and in the body of the else, first the total resistance for parallel connection is computed, and then appropriate message is displayed indicating a parallel connection. Now the next thing to do is to output the value of RT. Now the program is finished and we are ready to compile and run it. So first we will compile, making sure that we have no compilation errors, and then we can start debugging the program and observe the output. So here on the DOS console we have the instruction: enter two resistor values, let's say 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm, and here as input we have select S for series or P for parallel. Let's select series first, and we can see here at the output series connection RT 3 kilo ohm. Now we need to run again the program and test for the other case where we have parallel connection. So if we choose P here, we have for parallel connection the total resistance is given. This concludes this tutorial.